Hi and welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix Starfield mods not working. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss any important step or information, and without further ado, let's get on it. So the first fix that you can possibly do is to verify the file name, or the fix that you can do to possibly fix the issue is to verify the file name. So many players have mixed up with the where's field custom.ini file is incorrectly named. So the name must be exactly the same, including the lower and the uppercase letter. And additionally, the file itself might be named as a .txt file. So instead of the ini file, this can happen. So because of the Starfield custom ini file starts as a text document, and many players forgot to delete the txt file extension from its name. So just verify that you have named the file correctly. So if you notice that file extension is txt, change it to the ini and then launch Starfield to see if the mods are working again. And then next, if you're ready, uh, did this and the problem still didn't get fixed, what you'll need to do next, or what you can do next, is to make sure that the Starfield mods are incorrect or in the correct folder. So many players is new to installing mods can make this mistake. So the mods need to be specific folders for them to be recognizable by a game. So even if you have placed your mods in the correct folder, external applications can sometimes relocate them without your knowledge. So the Starfield game folder is in the My Documents folder by default, and you must paste all of your mods here. So do note that the players who used Steam or Xbox Game Pass to purchase Starfield may have different location for their game folder. And the next, what you can do is to enable the hard link deployment in Vortex. So if you're using Vortex, then you should immediately enable hard link document or deployment. I'm so sorry. Enable the hard link deployment. So hard link deployment will make a new entry for your mod folder in the index while still using the same data from the original folder. So this will make it much easier for Starfield to load your mods, as it will get rid of any confusion. So here's how you can hard link deployment in Vortex. So first, you just need to launch the Vortex and then navigate to the main settings menu, and you can find the settings on the left side of your screen under the general section. And then once in, switch the mod section and select your deployment method as hard link deployment. So as you can see here in the photo, and then just apply the changes and launch Starfield to see if your mods work. So that's it for this video. And remember, you can always pause this video, go back to the video and follow the steps, or follow the information again at your own time. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.